Welcome to our wood carving tutorial, where today we're embarking on a journey into the enchanting world of nature. Crafting a hand-carved wooden frog, ideal for nature lovers or as a charming addition to any home decor. In this episode, we're taking on a unique challenge inspired by the beauty of wildlife. Prepare to be amazed as we transform a simple piece of wood into an exquisite work of art. As we introduce our challenge, let's first examine the tools and materials that will bring our vision to life. Proper planning is crucial in the art of carving. The 4x2 by 2 inches basswood block is ideal for our frog pattern. We'll use Titebond glue to adhere our pattern onto the wood block. Now gather your carving tools and join us on this imaginative journey. We'll guide you through the step-by-step process of the frog carving, offering tips and tricks to enhance your carving skills, especially for beginner carvers. Now let's delve into the heart of today's challenge, carving a detailed frog from a block measuring 4x2 by 2 inches. This intricate project will test our skills, so pick up your tools and let's sculpt this charming amphibian together. Begin by envisioning the frog's basic shape within our block's dimensions. Sketching the contours on the surface will guide your carving, ensuring a balanced and realistic representation. As we start carving, focus on the gradual removal of excess material. With your carving knife, outline the pattern carefully. Work slowly, following the lines, and remember, safety first. Always carve away from your body. After outlining, it's time to add depth. Begin shaping the frog, paying attention to the curves and angles that bring it to life. For beginners, the key challenge is controlling the depth of your cuts and ensuring symmetry. Take your time, and don't hesitate to step back and assess your work. Another important aspect is the grain direction. Pay attention to the wood's natural grain to avoid splintering. Carve with the grain for smoother cuts and a polished final result. Now, the details. Use smaller tools to carve the frog's features, texture, and other intricate details. This is where your frog starts to really take shape and character. Remember, every challenge is a chance to improve your skills. If you're a beginner, embrace the learning process and don't be discouraged by imperfections. Carving is an art that grows with practice and dedication. So whether you're a seasoned carver or just starting your carving journey, take on this challenge enthusiastically and creatively. Share your progress and any challenges you face in the comments below, and let's learn and grow together as a carving community. Before we wrap up, we want to thank you for joining us on this carving adventure. If you've enjoyed the journey, don't forget to like this video, share it with your fellow carving enthusiasts, and hit that subscribe button to stay tuned for more. Connect with us on social media and don't be shy. Share your own carving projects and ideas in the comments below.